Flash flood warning for Stephenson, Joe Davies. Yep, just Stephenson, Joe Davies. Oh, they're probably not going to air it till they're done with this. It's kind of annoying that they do that, honestly. I think I'm going to turn this TV like off because it generates so much heat. Look at them being so much better. Wait a minute. Oh, this is going to be a double header, isn't it? Good lord. Good lord, dude. Just air it, Rockford. Look at that. They're so much better. Oh, Lord. I'm not counting that.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois.
I'm not going to count that one.
Wednesday. At 7:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Not at all surprised for that one.
Ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Freeport, Galena, Lena, Stockton, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Dakota, Rock City, Ladot, Noaa, Mascot, Shadow, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Road, Ogle, and Orangeado. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. And only during neighborhoods of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain.
Okay, yeah, we get it.
Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Alright, doubleheader, come on. Yep.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ogle County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 9 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rock City to near Freeport to near Cheyenne, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pecatonica, Lake Somerset, and Durand around 8:05 p.m.
Basically whole Winnebago County.
Around 8:15 p.m. Rockford, South Beloit, and Rockton around 8:20 p.m. Loves Park, McChesney Park, and Roscoe around 8:25 p.m. Rockford Airport around 8:30 p.m. Cherry Valley around 8:35 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A Tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Illinois. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for central Stephenson
Cool.
County.